Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see, man. Something slight today, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure before you do anything, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, make sure y'all do this. Subscribe to me, get your boy to 10K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? How the car gonna slow down? But yeah, man, get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, you know what I'm saying? But today, man, we just in traffic with it. I'm finna go to the gas station, you know what I'm saying? So while I was on the way to the gas station, I was like, let me just record a quick little POV, man. Get my POV for the day, you know what I'm saying? Something slight with y'all, boy. But hey, man, y'all go back and watch my last POV, bro. I drove a Hellcat car crew. If y'all missed it and didn't pay attention, man, I finally drove a Hellcat for the first time ever. Car crew, first time ever. One-on-one video for me, you know what I'm saying? So hey, make sure y'all boy go do that. Make sure y'all go run that video up, man, to 100 likes. Get that video to as many views as y'all can get it to, bro. You know what I'm saying? And help your boy get a cat, you know what I'm saying? Give me the 10K. Keep promoting the channel, man. Keep growing as a family, as Cari crew. And you know what I'm saying? We will get that cat, man. We will get the cat, you know what I'm saying? Y'all think Buddy trying to reach me, bro? Checking out my whip. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. He gonna take off. He was just driving crazy earlier. But yeah, man, like, I drove a Hellcat, y'all. Like, I ain't really get the video, so it felt rushed to me. It wasn't rushed, but like, I was just doing so much at once. Cause I was looking at the car, checking it out. You know what I'm saying? Seeing what's to it and recording at the same time. So y'all was getting my real raw, like, you know what I'm saying? There wasn't no fake reaction. I didn't drive the car first, then record like straight like that, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna fake nothing for y'all, boy, man. Y'all gonna get the whole authentic over that way, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Cari crew. That's still going on, man. Niggas on bikes be so smooth, bro. They be turning their head, looking behind them, driving forward like this. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga, bro. But yeah, man, like I was saying, though, like, Cari crew, bro. My bad, I was looking over my shoulder. But yeah, Cari crew, like, bro, you gonna get the real, you know what I'm saying, authentic over that way, man. But you gonna get the real authentic over that way. But yeah, man, like, that was, I don't know, man, it just felt, it was crazy, bro, to finally drive. It felt, bro, like I said in the video, bro, it felt like I was at home, bro, like how I'm in Olivia right now, you know what I'm saying, Charger, Scat, it felt like this, bro, but just, you know what I'm saying, with a whine, you know what I'm saying, more power. But that one was driving a little, it had a check engine light on. I think it was burning a little rich, you know what I'm saying, just a little bit. Cause the cold, it was like a, I think the spark plug may be dirty or something, you know what I'm saying, it got a little bit too much of combustion, just a little bit. Cause you can kind of feel it, you know what I'm saying, like you can tell, like the response, like the power is there, but it's kind of like, you know what I'm saying, the car trying to balance to where it don't, I guess. It ain't reading right. Basically say it like that. It ain't reading right. The code making it not read right. But they say they got a tune on it, but that's what the folks say. I don't know. It do feel like it though. It do feel like it got a transmission tune, cause it probably ain't got nothing crazy, but it probably do got a transmission tune for sure. If not nothing else, it got one of those. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, Cari crew, man, my bad for talking so much. I'm supposed to be just driving, man. Give y'all excellent, you know what I'm saying, driving view. And we in custom mode, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's just crazy now I think about letting it sink in, bro. I really drove a cat, like, I really drove a cat for the first time, you know what I'm saying? By myself, just like I'm by myself right now. By myself, man. And the cat. That's why I said I'm glad I got to drive by myself so I can just really record how I want to. And it just felt like me. You know what I'm saying? Dang, ain't no 12 right there. Perks of having a loud whip, boy. I not know 12s over there. I mean, I ain't do nothing but make some noise. Like, that be the thing, bro. It's a difference from breaking the law and making noise. That's like somebody getting a ticket for going outside and just yelling or talking loud. You gonna get somebody a ticket for talking loud outside? I see if they were in a place where they weren't supposed to be talking loud and they just won't do right. But outside, bro, oh, come on now. But yeah, man. Look at Dodge, man. Look at all them colors. Look at all them colors over there, man. But yeah, man, driving that Hellcat was crazy. Driving the cat was crazy. But I need a part 2 though. I definitely need a part 2 to really, like, you know what I'm saying? Cause I drove, that was like a little test drive, like just seeing, you know what I'm saying, what it like. But me actually driving to compare the difference. Like what I'm doing now, like driving like this. You know what I'm saying? Bro, why is this car on my ass, man? I hate when folks do that, I ain't gonna lie. That make me want to just get out the car and GTA a nigga, open his door and slap his ass. Like, bro, stop doing that, bro. If I can't see your headlights and you behind me, bro, you too close, bro. Then when I hit the Brimbos on your ass, hit the Brimbos on his ass, and then gonna be looking like he got hit by an elbow face ass. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, back to the cat though, bro. Like, it's crazy, car crew, man. I'm manifesting the Hellcat job. You know, life is life. I ain't saying like, you know, I ain't gonna even say that. But if that don't happen, you know what I'm saying? There's other alternatives. But I'm just saying, the cat is like, you know what I'm saying? The ideal. And that's my dream car. No cap, like. I ain't gonna lie to you though. The cat, even though whatever they had did to it. My car drives way more like moi, like, you know what I'm saying, like everything more put together. If that makes sense. Like you can't beat that factory smooth driving, bro. Like now if you get the right tune and they get it to where, like, you know, it's aggressive obviously, but like it just still, you know what I'm saying, feels natural. That's a difference. But at the same time, it is a cat, you know what I'm saying, and it was an older cat, 2017. So I don't know, their transmission may be different. You know, the older cat back then, they was still trying to perfect them. They perfected them now, though. So I'm gonna drive like this one. You know what I'm saying? But just with a supercharger on it. And the whine be louder. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, I'm giving y'all a real POV, like walking around, getting out the whip, all that. And for y'all that's new, man, you never seen my car before. Show y'all the whip, man. Hold on. Get y'all the carbon fiber, you know what I'm saying? That's real carbon fiber, you know? You can feel that, you know? You can rub your hand on that mother. Ain't my car dirty. I might need to take it across the street over there. But yeah, man, y'all see, man, you know, I just want to give y'all the outside view, man. Y'all see what's going on with the POVs. With the POV, man. But yeah, the cat, though, the cat was cool, bro. I had fun. I just do need a part 2. I need like part. Look at my boy over there. I need like part 50. I ain't gonna lie. I need like part 50. But make sure y'all, boys, you know what I'm saying, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And that look like, that's my boy over there, my boy J5, pulling up in that loud Charlie thing. Look at him, look. Look at him, man. Bro caught me mid-vlog. That's crazy. And he just got that bit clean. Ooh, I got the yellow. Then the brakes on top of my car crew. I need them, man. I need them. Bro, you caught me dead video. What's up, man? That bit clean as hell, what? Man, let me get your brakes, bro. I need them. These the exact one, the exact color and everything. Y'all let me know, man. I am. I just being lazy. Yeah. Y'all let me know, man. Do what I need right here. I need these. But yeah, man, y'all see my boy, man, with that tally mug, man. This ain't no regular digger. This ain't no regular digger. Oh, it's open? Hold on. What is that? Oh, that's the one you use?
Yes.
Let me see.
I'm letting you get this.
That's a bit. That's a bit. Appreciate that. You did yours yourself?
Yes.
But that fire.
Huh?
I said, but that fire. But yeah, that bit. Ooh, that boy got them good tires on that bit.
Yeah, big old 315.
Yes, sir. Bit 315 on that bit. That bit clean, man. That's what's going on, man. But yeah, man. I just was showing y'all a little POV, man. My boy popped out on me unexpectedly. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, man, if you're new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that pretty much gonna be a wrap, man. Like I say for all the end of my videos, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit. And you can touch it, Cari crew. And let me know if I should put these brakes, that color on my whip. I want to do that anyway, but ooh, that look hard with the yellow stripe. I got the yellow stripe on that bit too. Yeah, that bit hard, but yeah, man. Make sure y'all just hit that like button. Get your boy to 10K to quit way. We're going up all summer, man. We're going up all summer. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. And hey, keep living life, man, safely. But yeah, and like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.